Today we delve into the latest developments surrounding Samsung's collaboration with Google on XR technology. Alright, let's get the ball rolling and dive into the exciting story of Samsung's collaboration with Google and Qualcomm. It all started back in February when Samsung made a big announcement that shook the tech world. They joined forces with Qualcomm, the chip experts, and Google, the software geniuses, to create something truly extraordinary: cutting-edge XR hardware. This collaboration brings together the best of both worlds like it's a perfect recipe for a tech revolution, paving the way for mind-blowing XR experiences that will leave you in awe. Hold on tight, because we've got some juicy details about Samsung's XR headset. During Google's Epic I/O event, they gave us a tantalizing glimpse into the future. Brace yourself for this bombshell. Samsung's XR headset will run on Android-based operating systems. Now here's the cool part. Remember how Samsung made the smart move to switch from their Tizen OS to Google's Wear OS 3 for their smartwatches? Well, that history of collaboration speaks volumes. It means we can expect some seriously seamless integration between Samsung's top-notch hardware and Google's mind-blowing software in the XR world. This is a match made in tech heaven. So get this, Google had their own secret project brewing, codenamed Project Iris, set to unveil their XR headset in 2024. But now we find ourselves at the crossroads. Has Project Iris been axed? Or will it emerge as a fierce rival to Samsung's XR masterpiece? The suspense is killing me. As the battle for XR supremacy heats up, we'll have to keep our eyes peeled for any clues and updates. Who will claim the throne in the world of XR? Only time will reveal the answer. And when it does, make sure you subscribe to Metagen and hit the bell button to stay updated on all the news. Alright, let's take a trip down memory lane and explore Samsung's epic journey in the world of virtual and augmented reality. They've had some incredible ventures, like their groundbreaking partnership with Facebook for the mind-blowing Gear VR. Oh, and we can't forget about their Windows-based Odyssey headset, which took things to a whole new level. Samsung has always been at the forefront of immersive technology, constantly pushing the boundaries. But here's the thing, XR technology has evolved, and Meta's Quest has taken the world by storm. This success story has reignited Samsung's fire. They're back in the game, determined to create their own standalone XR devices that will blow your mind. Now hold on to your hats, folks, because things just got even more intense. Right in the midst of Samsung's preparations, a major player stepped onto the scene: Apple, with their highly anticipated Vision Pro augmented reality headset. Rumor has it that Apple's mind-blowing reveal might have rattled Samsung a bit. You see, word on the street is that Samsung went back to the drawing board and started re-evaluating certain aspects of their Galaxy XR headset. They're determined to make it a worthy competitor to Apple's offering. One area they're focusing on is the display. Apple's got this impressive panel with a pixel density of around 3,500 ppi, and Samsung doesn't want to fall behind, so they're upgrading their display game to a whopping 3,000 ppi. It's a battle of the titans, and we can't wait to see who comes up on top. Now hold on to your excitement, folks, because there's a slight bump in the road for Samsung's XR headset. You see, as they strive to upgrade the display to mind-blowing levels, there is a possibility of a small delay in the launch. Yeah, I know, it's a bummer. The thing is, reevaluating their strategies and dealing with all the intricate details of the supply chain can be quite tricky. So here's the scoop. Speculations are floating around that the Galaxy XR might not hit the market until after 2023. I can practically hear the collective sigh of eager fans around the world. But fear not. Sometimes good things take a little extra time to cook up. So let's keep our fingers crossed and stay on the edge of our seats, because when this baby finally arrives, it's going to be out of this world. Alright folks, mark your calendars for an event you won't want to miss. Samsung's next Unpacked event is just around the corner, slated for late July. And guess what? We're all buzzing with anticipation, wondering if we'll finally catch a sneak peek of the much-awaited Galaxy XR on that glorious stage. Now, here's the deal. The device they showcase might not have all the mind-blowing display specs of the final product, but hey, it's still a tantalizing glimpse into the future. So get those popcorn bowls ready, keep your eyes wide open, and be prepared for any jaw-dropping surprises that might come our way. Trust me, this event might just be the perfect dose of excitement to satisfy our tech-hungry souls. Alright, let's do a quick recap of everything we've learned today, because knowledge is power, my friends. First up, we had Samsung teaming up with the tech giants Google and Qualcomm to create some mind-blowing XR hardware. Then we discovered that Samsung's XR headset will be rocking an Android-based operating system, which is pretty cool if you ask me. We also talked about the possible competition from Google's Project Iris, keeping us on our toes. And let's not forget about Samsung's past adventures in virtual and augmented reality. They've been pioneers in the field, folks. Oh, and how can we ignore the impact of Apple's Vision Pro, as they've been stirring things up in the XR realm. Lastly, there was a chance of a slight delay in the release of the Galaxy XR. But hey, good things come to those who wait. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to Metagen for all the juicy updates on XR technology. Trust me, you won't want to miss a thing. If you're interested in what Xbox has cooking in the field of VR, and if there's a headset on the horizon, make sure you check out our next video.